Hi everybody, myself Nitore Muhammad Ibrahim Abdul Hamid. I am lecturer at Brahmadev Dadamane Polytechnic Belati Solapur in Civil Engineering Department. In today's session, we will discuss about the Heavy Engineering of Diploma 3rd semester subject Heavy Engineering. The subject code is 22302, in which we will see the second unit Heavy Geometrics or Geometric Design of Heavy Engineering, in which we first see the course outcomes. The course outcomes are as follows. The first course outcomes are various terms used in highway, that is camber, definition, purpose, types as per IS recommendation. Second, curves, road margin, road formation, right of way. Third course outcomes, design speed and various factors affecting design speed as per IRC recommendations. Fourth, gradient definition types as per IRC recommendations. Fifth course outcomes is SSD, that is side distance, definition, types of IRC recommendation, simple numericals. In sixth outcomes, curves, necessity of curves, types, horizontal, vertical curves we will see. In sixth course outcome, widening of roads, types and problems we will see. In eighth course outcome, super elevation, in which we will see definition, formula for calculating minimum and maximum super elevation, and method for providing super elevations. In last ninth outcome, standard cross section of national highway in embankment and cutting we will see. Now today's session the contents are introductions and the definitions and the highway geometrics and cross section of road and names. First of all we see the introduction. In introduction, the geometric design of highway deals with the dimensions and layout of visible features of the highway, such as horizontal and vertical alignment, side distance and intersection. Or the cross section of road is a vertical section of the ground and the roadway at right angles to the center lines of roadway. In the geometry design of highway deals with the dimension and layout of visible features of the highway, such as horizontal and vertical alignment, side distance and intersections. The geometrics of highway should be designed to provide efficiency in traffic operation with the maximum safety and reasonable cost. During the design, we will consider the efficiency, that is cost efficiency, and the safety point of view. We design the highway. In the introduction, the most important factor affecting the geometric design of the highway is the design speed. The design speed parameter affect the length of the vertical curves and the horizontal curves. In geometric of the roadway, design can be broken into three main parts, that is alignment, profile and cross section. Combined, they provide a three-dimensional layout for a roadway. The alignment is the root of the road. What is alignment? Alignment is the root of the road, defined as a series of horizontal tangents and curves. The geometric design of road is the branch of highway engineering concerned with the positioning of the physical elements of the roadway according to standard and constraints. In introduction, the basic objectives in geometric design are to optimize efficiency and safety while minimizing cost and environmental damage. Geometric design also affects an emerging fifth objective called livability, which is defined as designing roads to foster broader community goals, including providing access to employment, school, business, and residents, accommodate a range of travel modes such as walking, bicycling, transit, and automobiles, and minimizing fuel use, emission, and environmental damage. The main purpose of the geometry design is the livability. So after the introduction we will see the highway geometrics. For the highway geometric, the physical elements of road are called as road geometrics. The following factors must be taken into consideration during the geometric design of road. The first is the survey work done must be properly documented, and second, there must be sufficient width provided for carriageway formation level sidewalk. The carriageway formation level we will see in next lecture or in after these discussions. Appropriate space must be provided for road margin in order to enable efficient drainage. The fifth, the chamber provided must be such that the drainage is most carried out naturally. The factor affecting the geometry is extensive traffic survey and studies must be performed in order to obtain accurate traffic data. In sixth, rolling gradient must be provided as far as possible. In seventh, appropriate horizontal and vertical curves must be provided where necessary. In eight factor, the super elevation must be provided on horizontal curve, and the adequate side distance must be ensured wherever there is a charge in the direction of alignment of the road. In 10th factors, the possible future expansion of road must be considered in advance while selecting width of the right of way. During design, the future expansion should be considered in advance while selecting width of the right of way. This is the cross section of road in which we see the road land or carriageway, berm, road margin, setback distance, etc., which will be discussed in deep in next presentation. First, we see the full form and the all carriageway. This is a carriageway in which the traffic is moved smoothly, and the right of way is the this is the right of way in which the area of land acquired for construction and future development of the road. The formation width, this is the formation width up to this. For the function of formation width is the top width of the highway embankment or the bottom width of the highway cutting excluding the side drains is called formation width or roadway. Formation width is equal to width of carriageway plus width of shoulder. Now we will see the this is drains, this is drain, this is side slopes, this is setback distance, this is building line distance, this is boundary, this is also boundary stone, this is shoulder. The function of shoulder is the portion of the roadway between the outer edge of the carriageway and edge of the top surface of the embankment or inner edges of the side drains in cutting of the road are called as shoulders. This is shoulder, this is also a shoulder. In curves, what is curve? Curve is the boundaries between the pavement and shoulder of footpath are also known as a curve. This is the overview of the cross section or the components of the road. In next session we will discuss in deep the cross section of the road, that is formation width, crown, camber, divider, separator, shoulders, curves, carriageway, what is carriageway, what is right of way with diagram. In first unit, what the first unit is overview of heavy engineering. In second unit, the second unit, that is geometry design of heavy engineering, we see the introduction, definitions and the components of the road. In next session we will discuss about the cross section of road in deeply. The second chapter is weightage for MSBT is 16 marks, for remembering 4 marks, for understanding 6 marks, for application is 6 marks. It is the weightage of the chapter is 16 marks. So in next lecture we will see the cross section in detail. So thank you for the watching.